This video is about my experience with postponement of CA examinations. And I was not going to make this video, but I think if this helps out someone who's not thinking right, then my job here will be done. So I'll be asking you a few questions, the answer to which, if it is not a no, then you can skip this video. But if your answers are in no, then you should continue watching and hear me out. So, number one question: when there was a speculation that there will be a postponement, were you among those people who were expecting that there should not be a postponement and the exams should be on time? That is the month of May. If your answer to this is no, then you were expecting a postponement. Since you were expecting a postponement and you were hoping that you will study more, did you make the best out of that postponement period? I'm sure that when the exam date was out saying that it is on 5th July, you were shook. You were really shook. And that is why you should be answering this question very honestly. Did you make the best out of it? And the answer to that, if it is a no, then the next question is, did you make the most out of it? Although you may tend to answer that yes, I made the most out of it, but be honest, I don't think you made the most out of it. As of today, are you expecting a postponement? This is where you will say yes. This is where you wish that there is a postponement. This is where you're telling that in this state there is a lockdown till this date, and this state there is a lockdown till this date. It is practically not possible for an examination to take place. See, this is not something for you to decide. This is not something for you to be bothered upon. These are the last 30 days of your examination, and trust me, your time is more important than the Prime Minister's time right now. Every single minute counts. If your mindset is of a shape that you're expecting a postponement, saying there will be another 20 days or 15 days and you will make the best out of it, well, you know what you've done in the last postponement. And there will be nothing different. I was supposed to write my exam in the month of May, and this is my experience. May attempt got postponed to June. June got postponed to July. July, again, there was a rumor that it will be postponed to August, but it got cancelled finally in the nth moment. After which the exams were supposed to start in the November first week, and again it got postponed to November third week. So I've been there for at least 3 postponements and 1 cancellation. And I know what people do when there is a speculation for postponement and when there is an actual postponement. It is all about a mindset, and that is what matters. If you're sitting down today, 30 days before the exam, saying that I hope there is a postponement, then you're not doing the right thing. You'll not realize when you will start preparing for your first subject, that is last 5 or 10 days or before your examination starts. So effectively you have 20-25 odd days depending on how good you are with your first subject. It is not possible that your speculation will come true, and if your speculation comes true, that you will make the best out of it. I have been there, I know the mindset. So this is from a student who's been in that experience and not a faculty who's telling you to study. As a student, I'm telling you, it is the best thing to do is to study and hope that the exams are on time. Nothing else. So in case you are anxious or you wish to talk to me, I will be leaving my phone number in the description for some time. I'll delete it later. If you wish to call, please make a call after 1 o'clock any day. I'll be talking to you. If you have any concerns and if you're not able to fix on how to be studying or how to approach your exams, then I'll definitely share my thoughts and my experience with you. RTPs and MTPs are very important, and if you're studying well, then please factor those in and make sure that you're not studying it one day before the exam. All the best.